Hello students, we are doing chapter number 19 data handling. In last video we have done exercise 19.1 question number 1 to 6 and today we will start from question number 7. Question number 7, draw a histogram for the frequency table made for data in example 4 and answer the following questions. So first we need to see example number 4 whatever given in this book. In example number 4, it is given the electricity bill in rupees of 40 houses in a locality are given below. Construct a group frequency distribution table. So here 40 houses bill are given in rupees and we have to construct a frequency table here. And this you can see here already they have made one table. Classes they have taken 50 to 60 because the minimum range here you can see it will start from 52 and it will go up to 129. So we can take it between 50 to 130 and we will divide into 10. So we will get here 8 classes. Each class's size will be 10. So we can make classes like this: 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120 and 120 to 130. Always remember this 60 it is coming two places but you have to count it at one place only. If you are counting at first one, so don't count in second one. Now for this table we have to draw a histogram. For that you need a graph sheet. Take a graph sheet first and draw two lines like this. One horizontal line and one vertical line. In this horizontal line you can draw this class intervals and vertical line you can draw frequency. You can mark frequency there. Because our values are starting after 50, so we will start from 50. Then this remaining first gap we will put like this zigzag. This we will call Ken symbol. It means the remaining things we are compressing here. 0 to 50 we have compressed here. Now according to the given values in this example we have to now draw histogram. Histogram means there is no gap between bars. So first column it is given 50 to 60 is 2. Between 50 to 60 is 2. So 50 to 60 you have to draw one bar till 2. After that 60 to 70 it is 6. So 60 to 70 it is 6. Next 70 to 80 it is 5. Then 80 to 90 it is 8. 80 to 90 it is 8. After that 90 to 100 it is 5. Then 100 to 110 it is 7. So go till 7. Then next 110 to 120 it is 3. And 120 to 130 it is 4. Like this you have to draw it. And scale also you can write at corner. Scale here we have taken one block is equal to 1 unit. You can see here 1, 2, 3. 1 block we have taken equal to 1. Next question number 8. The weight of 29 patients in a hospital were recorded as follows. Weight is given here and they have divided into groups 50 to 55 according to weight, and 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, then 75 to 80. And in this category how many students patients are coming that they have mentioned. So in first 5, 7, then 4, 4, 9, 2 and 3. For this we have to draw a histogram. So same thing we have to do. First we need a graph sheet here. You have to take one graph sheet. First draw one horizontal and one vertical line. On horizontal line we are representing the weight of our groups, and on vertical line we are representing number of patient. And you can see here each block we have taken as 1 unit. So scale you can mention, scale one block is equal to 1 unit. Now we will start, because this category is starting from 50 kg. So here 0 to 50 we will put can symbol. Now first between 50 to 55 it is given 7 patient. So 50 to 55 we have to draw bar till 7. Next 55 to 60 it is given 4 patient. So draw till 4. Then 60 to 65 also it is 4. Next 65 to 70 it is given 9. So go till 9. Till 9 you have to draw here. Then next 70 to 75 it is given 2. 70 to 75 we have to go till 2, and then 75 to 80 it is still 3. So like this your histogram will come for this question. Next question number 9. In a study of diabetic patient, the following data was obtained. Age is given group wise: 10 to 20 year, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. And number of patients are given according to these ages. Now this data we have to represent by a histogram. So first of all you have to take one graph sheet, draw 2 lines, one horizontal line and one vertical line. On horizontal line we are representing the age group. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, like this we are representing. No need to put here can symbol because we are taking in continuity. And in vertical line we are representing number of patient. So here I have taken one block is equal to 5 patient. You can take this different also, one block equal to 2 also, one block equal to 10 patient also. It depend on you. Now next we will start drawing. Always draw with pencil, as I am doing with pen, but you should draw with pencil. It first 10 to 20 category number of patient is 3 here. So you can see here this 0 to 5. If you count, these are small 10 boxes. Small 10 boxes is equal to 5. It means each small 2 box is equal to 1. So when we have to do 3 means we have to count small 6 boxes. So small 6 boxes means still here. So between 10 to 20 it is coming 6. Next between 20 to 30 it is 8. So 5 is here. After 5 again 3 more we want. 3 more means 6 boxes. So till here we have to draw. So here we have 3. Here we have 8. Next between 30 to 40 we have 30 patients. After 40 to 50 36. So 36 means still here 35 and 2 more small box you have to take. After this next 50 to 60 it is 27. So after 25 2 more we have to take means 4 boxes. So till here we will take. These boxes count very carefully. It should not be wrong. This is 30, 6 and this is 27. Next, between 60 to 70 it is 15. And 70 to 80 it is 6. So 6 will after 5 2 more boxes. It is 6. So this is the histogram for question number 9. Draw it with pencil, that also very carefully. This gap should be equal, and when you are measuring this 8, 3, measure it carefully. Next we have question number 10. The histogram showing the weekly wages of worker in a factory is given alongside. This graph is given here, this histogram, and with the help of this histogram you have to answer these questions. So here wages are given on daily basis and number of worker is given here. First question, what is the frequency of class 400 to 425? So 400 to 425, you can see the frequency, how many worker are there? 18. So here answer is 18. Next, what is the class having minimum frequency? So minimum is, you can see this last one, 475 to 500. 475 to 500 class is having minimum frequency. How many workers get more than 425? So more than 425 means after this we have to count. So after 425, first these are 10 workers. Then next in this we have 20 workers, and here we have total 4 workers. So it is equal to 34. Next one, how many worker gets less than 475? So we have to count before 475, means before this. So first in this category, or we have to count here to here number of worker. In this first one we have 6 worker. In this second we have 18 worker. Then we have 10 worker. And in this we have 20 worker. So now we can add up this 6 plus 18, 24, 34 and 54. So total we have here 54 workers in this category. Number of workers whose weekly wages are more than 400 but less than, more than or equal to 400 but less than 450. So more than 400 means from here you have to start, and less than 450 means till here. So these two columns we have to count. So first one 18 and second one 10. 18 plus 10, 28 is answer. Next question number 11. The number of hours for which student of a particular class watch television during holidays is shown in the histogram alongside. So for this information, this histogram is given. Answer the following question. First one, for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? So you see here which block is the highest. You can see this one 32. This is the highest. So for how many hours? 4 to 5 hours. Second one, how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours means before 4 only we have to count. So 4 plus 8 plus 22. 4 plus 8 plus 22. It will be equal to 34. So 34 students watch TV for less than 4 hours. How many students spent more than 5 hours? So more than 5 means after 5 you have to see 5 to 6, 8 are there, and 6 to 7, 6 are there. So 8 and 6 means equal to 14 students are watching more than 5 hours. How many students spent more than 2 hours but less than 4 hours? So more than 2 and less than 4 means these two blocks you have to add up. So first block is 8 and second one is 22. So 8 plus 22, 30 students are watching more than 2 hours but less than 4 hours. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.